welcome back to my kitchen. I am Charlsie, and today we're going to make brownie bites, and they are ketogenic friendly. So if you're looking for a dessert, got to have a little bit of chocolate in your life, this one is for you. First things first, prepare your pan. I'm actually going to use a mini muffin pan that I've already coated with some avocado oil. I just sprayed it. Let me show you that. This is what I use. But you can use whatever coating that you want. Get a bowl, nice big bowl, and let's put the ingredients together. I'm going to show you how quick we're going to be done with this. We have got 1 cup of cottage cheese, and listen, if you're cooking with me, don't worry, because I'm going to list all the ingredients below in the notes, so you don't have to worry about the measurements or jotting all this down. Just watch and enjoy. So we're going to put this in our mixing bowl, and I didn't take out my big KitchenAid. I'm just going to use my hand mixer for this. So there's your cottage cheese. We've got 2 eggs, and I let them kind of warm up to room temperature. I just find things mix better when you do that. Half a cup of almond flour. Half a cup of sweetener. This is an erythritol monk fruit blend. So, I'm sorry, that was 1/4 a cup. If I said half, I was wrong. It's 1/4 a cup. 1/4 a cup of cocoa. So there's your chocolate taste. And yes, we have these beautiful chocolate chips, but they don't go in until last. We're going to do 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And if you cooked with me at all, you know I like to be generous with that vanilla flavor. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. And half a teaspoon of salt. Because I use Redmond, I'm going to be conservative on this, so I probably won't go a full half a teaspoon, because it's a, I don't want to say powerful salt. It's just got a lot of flavor compared to your standard table salt. So that's it. So let's mix this up, and then we're going to put it in our pan, and we'll bake it anywhere from 12 to 15 minutes at 350 in the oven. I'm just going to check. I'll do a little toothpick push through to see if they're done. So hang on. Might get loud. Let me scrape the bottom, and then we're going to go one more round with this. It's thick. It's kind of got little chunks in it from the cottage cheese. That's perfectly fine. Looks sort of like a chunky chocolate pudding. All right, just one more round. That should be fine. This is what you want it to look like. Let's set this aside. And so we have our little tin here. Chocolate chips here. I'm actually going to use a scooper just because it's going to be neater. And try to fill these up. And you're like, well, what about those chocolate chips? That's a topper. So after I fill all of these up, I'm going to top with chocolate chips. I'll just show you. I'll just put a couple in there. I like to use these Lily's dark chocolate. They just have such a good flavor. And the cameraman told me he already sampled, so he agrees with them. Put a little bit more in here. So I'm not going to bore you with watching me fill all these up. But basically, once I get them all topped, we'll put them in the oven, 350 for, I'm going to start with 12 minutes and check them. But you can go as long as 15. The toothpick test is you simply take a toothpick, stick it down in the center of the muffin, and it should come out clean. That's all it is. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit. Welcome back. And here we go. Here's our chocolatey brownie bites. And they really have a nice flavor. They're not overly sweet. I can definitely taste the hint of salt. So if you like that salted caramel kind of taste, well, this is salted chocolate. So it's really good. I'm going to keep these in the fridge. I believe they'll be even better cold. But it's a simple dessert. And if you like this kind of thing, I recommend that you watch the video that's posted up there for the chocolate peanut butter balls. Oh my gosh, they're so addictive. You're gonna love them. So thanks for watching. I'll see you again in my kitchen really soon.